So the next thing probably isn't super relevant if you're using sheets of paper, because at least at the moment you can't put video on physical paper, and you certainly can't put them in videos either. But what we found is that there's a very, very, very slight increase in conversion if a proposal contains a video. Now, I think this is slightly too soon to be a particularly useful stat, so I wouldn't put too much emphasis on this, but it does go to show that it's something that's very, very slowly, at least in this this current time, moving towards being something that you could use. So if you do have the ability to use video well, then you'll probably be able to move the needle an awful lot more than this 4.2% here. If video isn't something that you do particularly well or can't do to a decent standard, it's probably going to do more harm than good at this stage. So bear that in mind, but that's probably one to watch next year. It'll be interesting to see if that